Tom, are you packing?
Yes, I am packing now.
We need comfortable clothes.
I know. We will walk a lot.
Did you pack your jacket?
Yes, it is in my bag.
The weather can change.
That's true. I packed an extra shirt.
What about snacks?
I packed sandwiches and fruit.
Good thinking.
Did you pack sunscreen?
Yes, it is in my purse. Where's your phone charger?
It is in my backpack.
And the power bank?
I packed that too.
Great. I think we are ready.
Me too. I feel excited.
Wait, did you lock the door?
Let me check. Yes, it's locked.
Good. I always worry about that.
Don't worry. Everything is fine.
I hear a car.
Is it the taxi?
Yes, it's here.
Let's go.
Good morning. Where to?
To the bus station, please.
Okay. Sit comfortably.
Is there much traffic today?
No, the road is clear.
That's good.
I don't want to miss the bus.
How long will it take?
About 15 minutes.
Perfect.
Sarah, do you have the tickets?
Yes, they are on my phone.
And some cash?
Yes, just in case.
Good morning. Where are you going?
To Blue Lake Village.
Bus number 12. Platform 3.
Thank you very much.
We still have time.
Let's buy tea.
And maybe some biscuits.
The station is busy today.
Yes, many people are traveling.
I like watching people.
Me too.
Excuse me, is this seat free?
Yes, please sit down.
Thank you. Are you going far?
Just to the lake village.
It is very calm there.
That's why we are going.
Look outside. The trees are green.
And the sky is very clear.
I feel relaxed already.
How long is the ride?
About 1 hour.
That's fine.
We arrived.
The air feels fresh here.
It smells like nature.
Let's walk slowly.
Look at the small houses.
They look very simple and nice.
I like this place.
Me too.
Wow, the lake is beautiful.
The water is so clear.
Let's take photos.
Yes, before we sit.
The wind feels nice.
Not too cold, not too hot.
Perfect weather.
Let's sit under that tree.
Good idea. Oh no. I forgot my water bottle.
Don't worry. We can buy one.
I feel a little silly.
It happens.
Is there a shop nearby?
I see one over there.
Let's go slowly.
Okay.
Hello. What would you like?
2 bottles of water, please.
And 2 sandwiches.
Here you go.
How much is it?
$10.
Here you are.
Thank you. Enjoy your day.
This sandwich tastes good.
Everything tastes better outside.
I agree.
The water is very calm.
It looks like a mirror.
Let's sit quietly for a while.
I feel peaceful here.
Me too. No noise. No stress.
Do you want to walk more?
Yes, but slowly.
My legs are a little tired.
Let's rest again later.
I'm glad we came here.
This trip was a good idea.
Simple trips are the best.
I agree.